Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Zeeshan Hurmaz, and back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about pledge. I want to give you some important tell about this one project and all the little link about this one project you will be getting in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you but most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording pledge. Basically, I'm already predict this one project once time because in that time they are gonna to be listed on KuCoin. So in that time I already predict this one project. But right now I just want to give you complete detail about this one project. If you want to buy this one project, so this is a good project or not. So right now if you look to this one project right now in 24 hours you can see this is almost come down up to 11.06%, and after that if you look this is also clear frame from 30. So this is a trusted project. So if you want to participate in this one project, this is also a good project. But right now according to the main trading waves, I'm not recommended to buy this one project because of you can see this is completely like they behave like a stable project like a USDT and USD. And after that you can also see if you look to the all-time high and all-time low, just want to scroll down and you can see right over here the all-time high is almost 99.98%. it is just a 5 month ago. And if you look to the all-time low is almost 17 days ago and it is almost 164.32%. so basically if you want to participate in this one project right now, so in that time if they are come back to the main all-time low, so you will be lost your investment almost up to 164.32% easily from your investment. So that's why I'm not recommending to buy this one project. But if you want to buy this one project, I just want to scroll down and you simply pick up this one project from KuCoin and as well as from PancakeSwap. So this is some detail about pledge and this is a price prediction because I am not able to give you a price prediction of this one project. You can see right here this is completely they behave like a stable coin. So this is all detail about pledge. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.